when I install the lug nuts, I like to use very small amount of anti-seize to make sure that they are nicely seated, the threads will not rust, and there will be a chance to break it while removing. Now some people speaks about it, against that. That's their thing. I'm just sharing what I do with my own cars. Their argument is that because the presence of that anti-seize, it will change the torque numbers, right? Because the anti-seize is not supposed to be there. So when I will be torquing it, which you can see in just a second, the torque will be not correct. That's what I say, and I still do it because I think this very small change in torque is not so important, like those lug nuts don't rust inside. Now I'm looking or testing the play in the steering, right? We said the bearing is perfect, no play, but the steering has a huge play. I can see one of those ball joints there moving excessively. You are laughing. There'll be another video for you. Those lug nuts are slightly tight, so I can lower that wheel down on that ramp, right? And I will be ready to start torquing the whole thing. I can show you what I do. And for these jobs, I'm using the 1/2-inch drive, right? Torque wrench. This is a snap-on 40 to 250 foot-pounds. Now these lug nuts needs 110 Newton meters, which is 81 foot-pounds of torque, right? So here we go, and in the star pattern, right, you don't go around, but you go always cross. So you will put it down here, and I will still do them, you know, this way without using the torque wrench, but already again in the star pattern. And when I feel like it's ready, I will start using the torque wrench. I'm probably in your way, sorry. Did you hear that? And that's the best way to deal with it, right? Nice. This is a really nice tool because it has a flex head, right? This is really important. So you are not scraping the wheel, but you have really nice that play here. Of course, these things cost like 450 bucks, so this is expensive toy. And that's all for this video, my friend. So stay tuned, be subscribed, drive Mercedes-Benz, and enjoy your life. I will see you in the next video.